Hey friends. So Gwen recently made a video which got me thinking what would be the most impactful certificate that I did. And in my case, it was the cloud practitioner for AWS. I know most of you will not agree because it's the foundational level certificate in the AWS space. But I think it was most impactful because I was still entering the cloud space. So this was back in 2018 when I was still doing my technical support job and was trying to enter cloud. Most of my peers and mentors told me to pick a certificate just to make yourself accountable, and I think it was really good suggestion and advice. And at that time too, like cloud certifications did hold a lot of value, I think, in the industry. So I chose cloud practitioner and I studied for it for almost 3 months because I didn't know what cloud was basically. But I think the amount of knowledge that I gained at that time, which is still like foundational, but it is solid to this date. I think the way I think now, especially when it comes to like learning new cloud provider like Azure, which I did back in 2020, and now this year it's GCP. Having those fundamental concepts clear, I think it helps me to gain knowledge in a new cloud provider pretty easily and pretty quick because underneath the cloud doesn't matter which cloud provider you're talking about, it's underneath they're all the same to some extent. I studied for it for almost 3 months. It was also my ticket to my cloud engineering role. I would consider that because I built two solid projects, and those are on my GitHub during preparing for this certificate. And I was asked about those projects in my interview. So, cloud practitioner is the only certificate I had when I applied for the cloud engineering role at the same company where I was working in technical support, and I got it based on those projects, I think. But yeah, I also have some notes, and you can look them up. They're for cloud practitioner. After that, I have had, I think, 12 certifications, and but I still find my first cloud certificate, which was AWS practitioner, to be the most impactful.